Diolch yn fawr, Mark. Thank you for that. 1 minute past 2, almost said 4, 2 by me. So we'll start the meeting. Welcome to this meeting of the Local Education Authority Governors Appointments Committee. We'll start with, are there any declarations of interest, please?
Yes.
Jane?
Yeah, I'm a governor of Bro Taff, which is referenced, and also a former governor of Coedylan Primary School. I know the latter is probably relevant.
Yeah, okay. Jane, I'm just going to query. I'm not entirely sure they're on the agenda. We'll just double check.
Yeah, Coedylan Primary. There is a governor appointment there.
Where?
I'll just go over to officers a moment, just to come in.
Mark, I believe this meeting's been called following, it's just the virtual management committee.
Yeah, I was going to come on to that. Jane, it's
Apologies, Chair.
that's okay, no problem. There's just one item today which we'll come on to shortly. You can still make those declarations if you wish. There's no issue with that at all. So they'll be noted. All right.
Yeah, it was item 2 I was looking at, agenda item 2. So apologies for that.
That's okay, no problem. I'll make a declaration of interest as well. As a personal interest, I'm a governor on the virtual school governing committee. Body. So that's my personal interest. Are there any others before we move on? No?
No.
Okay, we'll move then to the minutes of the previous meeting. Are we content to move the minutes?
And move that minute, Chair.
Happy to second. Oh, sorry, Councillor Bencher.
You carry on.
Thank you all very much. Move on to item 3, and that is to consider passing the undermentioned resolution that the press and public be excluded from the meeting under section 100A brackets 4 of the Local Government Act 1972 for the next item of business on the grounds that it involves likely disclosure of exempt information as defined in paragraph 12, schedule 12 brackets A of the Act. Could I have a mover, please?
I'll move that, Chair.
Happy to second.
Thank you.